In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide cells in Google Sheets. We'll walk through how to take two values from your sheet, divide one by the other, and repeat that calculation down a list so you don't have to do it by hand. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. It's smart to pick a blank cell in the same row as your data so the output sits right next to the numbers you're working with. Next, move your cursor to the formula bar at the top of the sheet. This is the long input field just above the grid. It's where you build calculations. You can type directly in the cell too, but using the formula bar keeps things clear and easy to edit. Now reference the two cells you want to divide. Begin with an equal sign, then add the reference for the first cell, followed by the division symbol, and then the reference for the second cell. If you're unsure of the exact references, you can click the first cell to insert it, type the division symbol, and then click the second cell. Double-check that the second cell is the number you want to divide by. Avoid using a cell that's empty or contains text, and be careful not to divide by 0. Press Enter to calculate. Google Sheets will immediately display the result in the cell you selected. If the outcome looks unusual or you see an error, it usually means one of the referenced cells isn't a number or the second one is 0. Correct the source cells, and the result will update automatically. If you want to repeat the same type of division down multiple rows, use the fill handle. Click the cell with the result, then look for the small square at the bottom right corner of that cell. Drag it down through the rows where you need the calculation. Sheets will adjust the references for each row, pairing each first value with its corresponding second value. Finally, review your results. Scan the column to make sure the numbers make sense and that both reference cells in each row contain valid numeric data. Fix any blanks, text entries, or zeros in the cells you're dividing by to prevent errors. And that's it. You've divided two cells and copied the calculation across your data with just a few quick steps.